Good morning students, myself Rashmi Singh. I am your GK teacher of class 2nd. So students, today's our topic is all about animals from chapter number 3 and our book is Together with Journal Awareness. So children, today we will read pages 8 to 9. Before reading this chapter, children, I want to tell you about animals. In previous video, we have read about animals. We see many type of animals in the forest and some animals at our home. So these type of animals are differ from each other. So these type of animals divided into two categories: wild animals and pet animals. Wild animals live in the forest and pet animals live our house and with us. Now children, I will show your course book. This is your course book, Together with Journal Awareness for class 2. And children, this is your today's topic. Chapter number 3, all about animals. In this chapter, we will learn more about animals. Okay, so now let's start. So children, first is here written land animals. Which animals are called land animals? We will know through this chapter. Some animals live on land. Some animals live on land. They are called land animals like kangaroo, tiger and camel. These animals live with us on land. So these animals called land animals. Second, water animals. Some animals love water and like to live there. So they are called water animals. Where do they live? They live in water like shark, octopus and whale. So these type of animals are called water animals. Next, amphibians. Which animals are called amphibians? So children, some animals live both on land and water. They live both land and water. They are called amphibians like frog, alligator and turtle. These type of animals are called amphibians. Next children, herbivorous. What type of animals are herbivorous? In this chapter we will learn. Some animals love to eat leaves of plants. What do they love to eat? They love to eat leaves of plants, grass and fruits. So they are called herbivorous animals. Next children, omnivorous. Some animals love to eat both plants and other animals. Some animals love to eat both things, plants and animals. They are called omnivorous animals like giraffe. Giraffe eat plants and flesh of other animals. Rabbit like to eat plants and flesh of other animals. Dog also like both things and bear also like to eat both things. So these type of animals are called omnivorous. Last, carnivorous. Some animals eat other animals. They are called carnivorous animals. They are also called non-vegetarian animals. Some animals eat other animals. Dead animals, their flesh they love to eat. So they are called carnivorous animals. So children, now we will solve some exercise related to this chapter with the help of our course book. So children, what do you see here? Given below are 3 circles, 1, 2, 3, having 4 animals each, 1, 2, 3, 4. But one animal in each circle does not belong to their group. So put cross on it. Okay children, there are 3 circles. So please pay attention towards this exercise. In one circle there are 4 animals and one is different to them. So this is flesh eating animal, this is also flesh eating animals, this one is also flesh eating animal. This is cow. So this is different from these animals. So we cross out it. Okay. In next circle you can see this is a fish. This is also fish, water animal. This is also water animal. This is zebra. This is different from 3 of these animals. So we put cross on it like this. And this one, this is cat, this is dog, this is the animal. So this one is different from these 3 type of animals. So we cross out here. This is from amphibian animals. So in this way we will solve this exercise. And next is very important note. We will read it. Okay. If a starfish loses its arm, if a starfish loses its arm, what happens then? A new arm grows in its place within a few days. It is very important note. So children, you have to write it in your notebook and learn it. It is very important for exam. So students, I hope you will understand this chapter in well manner. So today's our class is stopped here. We will meet in next video with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.